Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change language on iPhone with iOS 26. To do this, it's so simple. You have just to go to Settings and after that go to General. And after that, scroll down until you find an option called Language and Region. And the first option that you will find is Preferred Languages. So if your language is available here, it's okay. And if it's not available, click on Add Language and find the language that you want to add. And after adding, if you want to add any language, you have just to click on it. And after that, you have just to click on the three lines near to the language that you want to change to it and put it as the first language on your phone. And as you can see, it tells me if I want to make the modification, it will restart my iPhone. Of course, I don't want to make these modifications now. But for you, you have just to click on OK. Your iPhone will restart, and after that, it will be on the language that you've already wanted to change to. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.